Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Rocio. In today's video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step how to make this mini dolly. It's perfect for leftover thread. It measures about 9 inches. The name of the pattern is Blooming Azalea. I found it on the magazine Crochet World, issue June 2021. I did not design this pattern. The credits to the pattern go to the designer. I'm going to be using thread 10 and 1.65 millimeter hook. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start with a slip knot. Don't make it too tight. Chain 4. Slip stitch in the last strand. We just created a ring. To begin row 1, I'm going to insert my hook in the ring and make a single crochet. Chain 1. These stitches count as my first half double crochet. Now make 11 half double crochets. And here at the end of row 1, I have my beginning stitches plus 11 half double crochets. I'm going to insert my hook in the chain I made at the beginning and close. This is the end of row 1. To begin row 2, I'm going to insert my hook in the next 2 loops and make a single crochet. Chain 5. Double crochet in the next space. Chain 3. Double crochet in the next space. Chain 3. Double crochet in the next space. Chain 3. I'm going to be making a double crochet in each space plus 3 chains. So continue with that repetition and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row 2. I have my beginning chains plus 11 double crochets. I made my last 3 chains. I'm going to look for the second chain after the single crochet and make a slip stitch. I have the equivalent to 12 double crochets and 12 3 chain spaces. To begin row 3, I'm going to make a front post popcorn in each of the double crochets. I'm going to make a single crochet, 2 chains. This is my first double crochet. Now make 3 more. Front post double crochets. I have my beginning stitches plus 3 double crochets, making it the equivalent to 4 double crochets. Close my popcorn, inserting my hook on the 3rd chain. Chain 3. Front post popcorn in the next double crochet of previous row with 4 double crochets. Front post. 2, 3, 4. Close the popcorn. Chain 3. Another popcorn. Front post. 4 double crochets. Front post. 3, 4. Close the popcorn. 3 chains. 1 more front post popcorn And that is the whole repetition for this row. You're going to chain 3, front post popcorn, 1, 2, 3, 4. Close the popcorn, chain 3. So continue with that repetition and see you at the end of the row. I'm here at the end of row 3. I have 12 front post popcorns and 12 3-chain spaces. After I made my last 3 chains, I'm going to look for the chain I made at the beginning of the row and make a slip stitch. Chain 1 for security, leave enough thread, and cut. To begin row 4, I'm going to change color, making a slip knot plus 2 chains, and this is optional. This is how I join my thread. Make a double crochet in any of the chain 3 spaces. Chain 3, double crochet in the same space. I just created my first V-stitch. Now I'm going to make a double crochet in the next space. Chain 3, double crochet in the same space. I just created my second V-stitch. Go to the next space, make a double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the same space. I just created my third V-stitch. We need a total of 12 V-stitches, 1 in each of the chain 3 spaces. So go ahead, continue, and see you at the end of the row. Double crochet in the next space. Chain 3, double crochet in the same space. Next space, make a double crochet, chain 3, and a double crochet in the same space. Continue and see you at the end of the row. I am here at the end of row 4. I made my last V-stitch. I have 12 V-stitches. I'm going to slip stitch on top of the first double crochet and close. This is the end of row 4. To begin row 5, I'm going to make a front post single crochet in the first double crochet of previous row, directly under my hook. Chain 2. This counts as a front post double crochet. A V-stitch in the chain 3 space, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet. We are going to have a V-stitch in each chain 3 space. So I started with my single crochet plus 2 chains equivalent to a front post double crochet, a V-stitch. Now I'm going to make another front post double crochet in the next stitch. Chain 1. These are going to be the stitches in every V-stitch. So after my chain 1, I'm going to repeat the stitches that I just made here. Front post double crochet, a V-stitch, double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the chain 3 space. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. I completed the repetition of front post, V-stitch, front post, chain 1, and repeat the stitches that I just made here. Front post double crochet, a V-stitch inside the chain 3 space, chain 3, double crochet in the same space, completing my V-stitch. Front post double crochet in the next stitch. There I completed the repetition. Front post, V-stitch, front post. Now chain 1 and go to the next repetition of front post, double crochet, a V-stitch of double crochet, chain 3, double crochet in the chain 3 space, front post, double crochet in the next stitch. I completed the repetition. Okay, so I'm gonna have 1, 2, 3, 4, a total of 12 of these repetitions with one chain in between. Go to the next one, front post, double crochet, a V-stitch, chain 3, double crochet. I completed my V-stitch. Now a front post, chain 1, and repeat. So that's the whole repetition for this row. Continue and see you at the end. I am here at the end of row 5. I made my last chain. I'm going to look for the top chain that I made in the beginning and make a slip stitch and close. This is the end of row 5. That's it for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.